Hello guys, welcome back to another Intel 12th Gen build related video. Looking at the comments I get regarding Intel 12th Gen builds, I see a lot of you guys are facing issues while installing the CPU cooler for Alder Lake builds. So I'm making this video to show how to install, or rather how I install NZXT CPU cooler for my 12700 KF. I am also going to change the stock thermal paste of the NZXT cooler with the Noctua NT H2. Removing the existing CPU cooler first. The thermal paste comes with 3 cleaning wipes to remove the existing thermal paste. This is the retention bracket. Now the main issue is when you try to install the retention bracket, you can see there's a lot of play in this NZXT provided bracket. Even if you fully tighten the screws, there is a lot of play in it, which may cause issues since there will be a gap between the CPU and the metal plate of this pump, which can cause heat transfer issues and it is not good for your CPU. In order to fill this gap between the bracket and the backside of the motherboard, what we can do is add small strips of double-sided adhesive tape like this. It will prevent the movement of this bracket and make sure that the CPU will remain in contact with metal plate and the pump. See, the bracket is fixed now and there is no movement. Let's apply the thermal paste and fit the cooler. Now coming to the benchmarks part, there was around 3 to 4 degrees of temperature reduction observed after changing the thermal paste to Noctua.